Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a story for you that honestly could be a movie. A short one, but still. You guys remember Eva, my client with the most insane hands I have ever worked on? I'll link that video above. If you haven't seen it, go watch it after this, because that set was something else. So Eva has a sister. Her name is Miriam. And Miriam saw Eva's nails, and Miriam said, "I want that." Which, honestly, is the best compliment a nail artist can get, so here we are. And I'm just gonna say this once, both of them have hands that make me question my life choices. Like, it's not fair. Wear check and backstory. Before we start, let's check in on how she came in. 4 weeks of wear. No chips, no lifting, no nothing. Completely intact. 4 weeks. That result doesn't happen by accident. It happens because of what you do before the first product even touches the nail. I have a lot of videos filmed that aren't posted yet. My schedule is a lot, but I edit every single one. I literally eat, sleep, and edit. If you know, you know. Okay, let's get into it. We start the same way every single time. Full sanitization, removal of the previous set, e-file manicure. Prep. I want to say this clearly because it is the foundation of everything. Proper prep is what gives you 4-week wear, not luck. For structure, I used a soft pink builder gel, nude camouflage. Shape, oval. Length, long. Miriam's hands are made for long nails. Some people just have that. She has that. Now, the design. Miriam had seen the reference I originally sent Eva. She liked the concept, but wanted to make it her own. I love working like that. A reference is a starting point, not a blueprint. Let's go. Right hand. Thumb, triangle French. Not the classic rounded smile, a sharp triangle in blood red. Finding the right red is genuinely one of the hardest things in nail art. Reds are notoriously tricky, too orange, too pink, too dark. This one came into my life through one of my longtime clients, Felicitas, and now it is the most used red in my entire palette. Quick, clean, 3 beats. Index finger, vertical black lines, freehand, animal print effect. Clean, graphic, strong. Middle finger, triangle French in red again, but only half filled. One side is solid, the other is just a thin line. I started it on one side, liked the asymmetry, and just left it. Sometimes the unfinished thing is the most interesting thing. Ring finger, pure gold. Chrome powder, mirror effect. No color underneath, just the chrome doing its thing. Now, chrome powder. I want to talk about this honestly because I think a lot of creators don't. Chrome wears off. It chips. It's genuinely the most high-maintenance finish in nail art. I have a sealing method I've been testing. If it holds at the 4-week check, I will show you exactly what I did. Stay until the end of the video and I'll tell you when to expect that follow-up. Pinky, diagonal French, milk chocolate base, and on top I used a spreading gel. Spreading gel is exactly what it sounds like. You drop pigment or ink into it and it moves on its own. Left hand, the mirror image mostly, but with one moment that genuinely surprised me. Smooth, technical. Thumb, white triangle French, half-filled, same logic as the middle on the right hand. One side solid, one side thin line. Index, this is the one, pay attention here. I applied milk chocolate as a base. Standard, clean, nothing unusual. Then I applied a semi-transparent champagne chrome powder on top. And that powder reacted with the brown base in a way I did not expect at all. Green, blue, yellow, all at once, on one nail. It looks like the wing of an iridescent beetle. There's a specific species, beautiful shifting colors, and I genuinely cannot remember the name right now. Drop the name of that beetle in the comments. Most creative answer gets a shout out in the next video. I'm serious. Middle finger, clean white triangle French, the quiet one in the room. Safety and close. Ring finger, back to the vertical black lines, animal print. What was the index on the right hand is the ring finger here. It creates rhythm across both hands. Clean, intentional. Pinky, same spreading gel design as the right. Intentional consistency. Sincere, slowing down, important. Before I close out, quick note on safety because that's what this channel is about. Steady, clear, channel signature. Every product I use is properly sourced. Every application follows sanitation protocol. Nail enhancements done right are safe. Brief, firm, 3 short punches. Done wrong, they're not. Know your products, know your technique, know your prep. When you put both hands together, you get a set that has movement, contrast, and a story. Triangle French, chrome, animal print, spreading gel, 4 very different techniques, 1 cohesive set. Direct CTA, no fluff. If you found this useful, subscribe. I post real work, real technique, no gatekeeping. Playful, inviting comments. Tell me in the comments what you see on that left index finger. An opal? A morpho butterfly? The universe? Calm, clean sign off. See you in the next one. Pause, slow, deliberate. Channel signature. Beauty that is above all safe.